Hi there, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle with Eraldo, a show dedicated to helping you live a longer and healthier life while giving you the inside scoop on all of the latest fitness, health, and lifestyle trends. And of course, having fun while doing it. Today, I have a very special co-host. He has his own radio show called Late Night Health. Welcome, Mark Allen. Hi, Mark.
Hey, how are you,
my
man?
friend? Welcome
Good.
back.
Thank you very much. Talk about having fun. Can we do this all the time?
Absolutely.
I'll be back tomorrow. No, this is great.
Thank you. How's the radio show going?
Radio show is going very well. I just came back from Florida where I received a fellowship to the Association of Healthcare Journalists. I'm now a member of that organization. Thank you guys for giving me that. And we talk about everything from energy healing to the latest in oncology on Late Night Health.
Perfect. All right. Okay, guys, so let's get to it. June marks the start of wedding season, and the contemporary wedding of 2017 looks very different than it has in the years past. Weddings of today include social media and multiple vendors that are all influenced in an unexpected way by the law.
Here to discuss the impact social media is having on this billion-dollar industry is attorney Christine Weller, associate at Griesing's Law Intellectual Property and Technology Practice Group. Christine, welcome.
Hi, Christine. That's a mouthful, right?
You know, the wedding industry is so big, and social media has become such an important part of that. Is it really important to concentrate and think about in advance the social media you're going to do for your wedding and all the activities associated with it?
Absolutely. One of the things that people start out thinking about is whether or not they want to use a wedding hashtag. And often people will approach me and ask me, can my hashtag be protectable? Can I keep other people from using it? And unfortunately, the answer is no. No matter how clever it is, your wedding hashtag is not subject to copyright protection. And unless you're using it in connection with the sale of a good or service, you really can't get a trademark for it either. But you can do your homework if it's something that you really, really love and want to use. Do a quick internet search, see if anyone else has already started using it and what pictures are associated with it.
Now, I know that you can, a lot of people do the wedding videos, right? So I understand that to put those videos on YouTube, is there a law against it for anybody else to use it? Or is there a certain, I don't know a way to explain it correctly, but there is a certain follow that you have to go through, right, for the legality of it?
You want to be very careful. If you or your videographer is planning to upload your video on YouTube or anywhere where people outside of your family can see it, you want to make sure that you take care if you're using any kind of, say, choreography or music that might belong to someone else. You want to make sure you ask permission appropriately before you use it to the extent that you think other people are going to be able to see it.
I understand.
A good thing to do is to talk to your videographer about it, ask them what they do to seek permission, and make sure you understand who is responsible for seeking that permission and get it in writing.
If somebody is videoing the dance, the first dance, and there's a familiar song, by the Bee Gees or whoever it might be, don't they have to get copyright permission to use that and post that on YouTube?
If they're going to be sharing it publicly, you want to be careful and do your homework before you upload it.
Wow. And what about photographs? At my wedding we had a bunch of photographs, and if they're posted to the website, to the internet, can the photographer also use those and post those?
What a lot of people don't understand is that photographers and videographers often use form contracts. And within those contracts, there's usually a provision that says what they can and cannot do with your pictures, as well as who owns them at the end of the day. And a common thing that a photographer will do is put a clause saying that they can use your pictures for their own promotional purposes. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's a good thing that people take pride in a job well done and want to use your pictures as an example of something that they too can achieve. But if you're not comfortable with having your pictures online, think about what that will look like for you. Make sure you talk to your photographer and get it in writing what you expect. For example, if they want to use the picture, ask them if they'll come back to you first and let you approve which one, as
Right.
well as whether or not you want to let them use it for a commercial purpose in a magazine.
So a lot of people give away, wedding gifts or something. Most of them are very popular, like, chocolates or whatever they give away. But some of them actually do like T-shirts, I understand. Is there a legality issue there with printing your own T-shirts with a certain emblem or something that may either copy or write it with somebody else? Can you explain that a little bit more? Or?
Sure. You want to be careful. If you find a picture and you want to put it on a T-shirt and you find this picture online,
Right.
make sure you understand who owns it.
Okay.
And just because it appears on, say, a popular internet search platform doesn't mean it's free for you to use without permission. So an easy way for you to check is to look to see if the picture has a watermark that has copyright information on it.
Okay.
And if you're not sure, just don't take the risk. Don't do that.
Okay.
A lot of stars are now cracking down on people who sell merchandise on online platforms, and even our dear friend Beyonce is cracking down on trademark infringers
Right.
who incorporate her name or her likeness into products that they sell.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Fiance,
yeah.
right? Well, Christine, we're out of time. Thank you so much for being on the show. Very
Thank you.
informative.
Thank you
Appreciate
for
it.
having me.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, still to come. Studies are shown that dogs are the best form of therapy. After the break, meet a pint-sized pup who is proving just that.
His inspirational and amazing story is next when Healthy Lifestyle returns in just a moment. Don't go away. We'll be back.
See, I like how you do